on YouTube? It's your boy the Retro Wiz Kid, the shoeologist, and y'all rocking with your boy in the sneaker dungeon, y'all. If this your first time tuning in to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell. That way y'all don't miss any of the content I put out on the channel. As well as give your boy a thumbs up. Let your boy know that you rocking with the Retro Wiz Kid in the sneaker dungeon. And drop a comment below and let me know if y'all like the pickup. So let's get into it. Got them finally from Kicks, y'all. Y'all already know, man, I mess with Kicks heavy. And you know, finally got this shoe, man. I've been waiting on this shoe since last Wednesday when they dropped. Now, I want a half size up in this shoe, but I really wanted it. And the crazy thing is, you know, somebody had to be at home because I put pay at the door. So I didn't pay for the shoe online. I paid for it when it got to the door. So yes, finally, y'all, finally. And I know y'all like, man, what did you cop, Wiz? So, you know what I'm saying? We got the little receipt right here and everything. They sent over a Kick spring summer. You know what I'm saying? I don't know, man. Just a little pamphlet, you know what I'm saying? This little joint right here. Got a little something in the back too. I don't really care about that. Man, y'all better go mess with that doggone Donkey Kong. You know what I'm saying? Tropical Freeze. I've been playing that junk too. So, get that box out of here. Y'all, are y'all ready? Are you ready? No, I'm just messing with y'all. Anyway, so y'all know what it is. You see it, man. It's your red Nike box. So, what do y'all think I caught, man? Was it another pair of Air Max? You damn right it was another pair of Air Max. So, y'all, that's the thing, man. I'm be honest. They don't have a smell like that. But y'all, your boy picked up the Air Max Watermelon 1. Man, y'all, this shoe is fuego. This is a great summer shoe, y'all. I'm talking about epic, man. I wanted this shoe so bad. So, a little bit about why I wanted this shoe so bad. So, these dropped, right? And I missed the drop in the States. And I was like, man, I really want this shoe. I went online and I seen them going for like maybe about $200. And I was like, nah, I'm not paying that for these. You know what I'm saying? I want to say it might have been a little over $2. But then the price dropped. Now, the thing is, these didn't drop over in Germany till last week, man, May 3rd. So on May 3rd, I got online. I was trying to get them. You know, I'm sitting there. I'm like, yo, I need them. Struck out on the 11, so I went with the 11.5 on these because they're a little bit narrow in the front. You know what I'm saying? But as y'all see, man, let me go ahead and get y'all the official colorway from the box. Is that Summit White Sunset Pulse. You know what I'm saying? So you kind of got like the off-white laces right here. You got kind of like an off-white right here on the toe box. You got that nice, man, that watermelon. You know what I'm saying? With the pink going right there. You got the little hints of the little turquoise right there. I like how they did it on the tongue as well. On the bottom, you got that green, man, that turquoise still, and then right there in the air bubble as well. Following it up with that Nike Air on the back in pink. Inside of the shoe, you got that Nike branding right there. And man, these things are fuego. I really wanted these, man. So these dropped, like I said, May 3rd over here in Germany. And the crazy thing is, tomorrow I get a chance to try to cop the South Beach 97s. I want to thank each and every one of you all. Let me go ahead and lift that up. We hit 750 subscribers, y'all, and we actually surpassed it. We are now officially on the road to 1,000 subscribers, y'all. Let's get it, y'all. Let's get it, man. You know what I'm saying? Turn up. I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers before June 21st, y'all. I'm gonna be turning up for the G-Day, man. And I'm trying to turn up for the G-Day, man. And I'm trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers, y'all. So, if this your first time tuning in, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, man, and join your boy, the Retro Wiz Kid, inside the Sneaker Dungeon, man, and I am the real shootologist. You dig? Make sure y'all ring that notification bell, y'all, and don't forget, smash that thumbs up button for a like, and drop a comment below and let me know, is this shoe fuego, is it not? If y'all want the on foot, and this was the unboxing that I was waiting on y'all for. So now, you know what I'm saying, I can go ahead and throw my little picture on this shoe box and everything, and it's gonna go down there on the rack, you know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know, on foot or not. I'll see y'all tomorrow, y'all. Let's get it.